Hey everyone, so I'm your Wednesday on the We're Beauty Gurus collab. This week's challenge was made by Bella to write We're Beauty Gurus with your feet. Also, I'm going to keep my socks on because, well, if you didn't know, I do ballet, so I have blisters on my toes. My toenails are all cracked and it is disgusting, so I'm keeping my socks on. So yeah, this is going to be an extreme fail, but I'm gonna try. Leg out. It turned out like this. We're Beauty Gurus. It turned out way better than I ever expected. Just kidding, it actually turned out like this. Okay, that's readable because check out that W-E-R, wait, where's the, okay. No, I cannot justify that. It's a lot harder than it looks, so don't judge and try it yourself because it is like freaking impossible, okay? So I failed at this and I'm gonna go to school now. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye. Get us to 1,000 subscribers.